So this is a pre-decorated session and I appreciate you taking the time to be here. So this is a webinar and I'll be briefing you on about what Atlearn LMS is and what are the challenges that you might face in daily educational life and how we might help you transform your educational activities and ease through your daily process. And this is Rochna here. I'm a product owner at Atlearn, and if you have any doubts, you can share it in the comments or even mail us. I'll share you the mail ID and or connect with us through any of the social media platforms. So let's go on about what Atlearn is. So Atlearn is a learning management system that helps in transforming your educational activities. We have a bunch of tools that is AI powered also. So we have MCQ quiz generator, we have feedback and assessment, course creation, rubrics generator, live recordings, just like what I'm doing here, where you can share it with your students or other people, virtual classroom, and course management. So apart from this, we have a lot of other tools, and most of these are AI powered, which will help you do your activities within seconds, within minutes, and share it across with your peers and students. So you would wonder why choose us, why amongst all the other LMS platforms that are out there, why you would choose us. So apart from these that I have described out on this board, so first is the flexible assessment options where you can easily grade, send real-time feedbacks and analytics with your students and even the students' parents. So it will help you gain individual insights of each and every student on how they're performing, their attendance, their course grades, and the assignment assessments, etc. Every real feedback analytics will give you an insight on how the student is performing individually. And we also have customizable learning experience. So as per your brand, you can change the brand coloring for your LMS, and it's also teacher friendly interface. So we understand that most of the teachers will find difficulty in adapting to the technology tools, and that is why we made it sure that it's teacher friendly, user friendly, where each and every teacher knows which tools to use, which they can easily navigate through each and every screen without the help of anyone. And there's also engaging real-time learning. That is where that is why you should choose this, because we have so many AI powered tools that will help you in daily activities. So we have rubrics learning, we have rubrics assessment, we have grading, we have informal mail generator, formal mail generator, we have MCQ generation, quiz generation, and any type of AI that you need, AI help you need, you can easily use our Atlearn LMS. So these are the user profiles. So school administrators or college administrators can use this LMS Atlearn, where they will have an overall view of how many teachers are there per course and under the particular course and how many students are there, etc. So they will have an overall view where they will have the upper hand control on how exactly they should go on about the LMS management. And teachers here will have access to their particular subjects. So for example, the admin is in an MBA course, and they all take the control of whichever teacher are working in the MBA. For example, there might be 4 to 5 subjects per semester, and each teacher will have their own login ID where they can upload their course materials, their syllabus, curriculum, and their students, and they can give their feedbacks and generate quiz, etc. And students here will be given separate login IDs that will be created by the teachers or administrators, or the students themselves can enroll in a course as per their need. And the managers here can go on to the upper hand level where they can get an overall look of each and every course, each and every subject, teachers, etc. So we understand there are so many challenges here. So first is the device accessibility and internet access. So when we took on about the research on the whole of India, we understood that there might be difficulty in internet access and device accessibility, where some people might not be able to access the particular device. and there were also dropout rates and engagement challenges. So this is because when it comes to online, there'll be difficulty in engaging the students, where we won't know for sure if they're listening to the lessons, if they're listening to the courses, etc., or if they're actually using the platform for their own good needs. And there might be technical difficulties in teacher training. That's why I mentioned the adaptability might be very difficult for teachers, and also the social and emotional challenges for students. So they might face, boredom, or they might feel that it is not engaging enough. So we understand all these challenges, and this is our problem statements where we understand the challenges faced by schools and colleges in online learning. So there will be a lack of centralized management. So there might be, admins who doesn't have control over a particular course, or they won't know the actual insights or analytics of what's happening in a particular course. And there's limited personalization in learning and communication gaps. And there's inadequate assessment and feedback tools in most of the LMS platforms, where you find it difficult to engage with the students, engage with the parents, or even with your peers. And as I mentioned, engagement and motivation issues are there, where it might be both from teachers and students, where they might not be motivated to use the technology the whole day, or they might not feel engaged in using the LMS platform. And there's adaptability and scalability constraints, like I mentioned before. So these are solution offerings for all the challenges that you face. So first is the course creation. So we have AI powered course creation. So this tool helps you list out the course or syllabus or curriculum within a few seconds. All you have to do is just enter the type of course that you need. For example, you can ask our AI tool to create a course on MBA on certain quality management, and you will get all the course syllabus, the curriculum, etc., and what you need to address to the students, and what needs to be added inside the curriculum, etc. Everything will be given to you in just a few minutes, and all you have to do is just click upload to the students, and it will be visible to everyone. So this helps in teachers and admins to easily create courses and not spend maybe the whole day to manually enter each and every course details, syllabus, etc. And progress tracking. So you can track your student progress with data-driven insights and performance metrics, where you can get individual feedback, individual assessment on each and every student, and you can share this with the students' parents, and even help in deciding your course. For example, through the data-driven insights, you might feel that student is less engaging with the technology, with the LMS platform, or not able to use the assignment, etc. This will help you understand what the particular individual needs and how you can best motivate them to better access in their career. So the next is our AI-powered learning tools. So this is easy for both teachers and the admins. So you can easily create assignments, quizzes, and real-time progress assessments. So using our AI tool, you can just type a prompt saying that can you create a quiz on this particular subject, and I want it to be open-ended or close-ended or MCQ. So no matter whatever it is, if you enter the prompt, you will get all the quiz questions, and all you have to do is just upload. Or if you want to edit the question as per your needs, you can do that and upload it. So everything is done within minutes, and you can easily conduct weekly assignments and give assignments to the students and get the real time insights, everything. And there's interactive communication. That's real-time messaging between the students and teachers and between peers. So apart from this, even if the students feel that they are lagging behind, they can talk to our AI chatbot, where they can get career insights or insights about their performance or insights about the course, everything. So all our AI chatbot will help you uh, with every single thing. And this is our assessment tool. Like I mentioned, if you create the multiple choice questions or quizzes, you can easily assess the grades. Uh, you don't have to enter manually and check each and every question. So if you just have to upload the grading assessment, and then you will get the individual students' feedback and how they performed in that particular quiz. And that's real-time collaboration. So just like how I am presenting this presentation and recording. This is a pre-recorded session, right? So you can share this. You can make a similar session like this, and you can share this with your students and even parents, and get real time integrated chats or collaborative learning, etc. And we have AI powered rubric generator. So it might be difficult to assess what can find as a right assessment tool for a particular quiz or for a particular assignment. So all you have to do is just use our AI powered rubric generator and just enter what you exactly need, and it will generate the exact needs that you want. And the next is our engagement features. So our interactive whiteboard has different tools. Just like how I am using these tools, you can use the polling features, you can use the breakout room features for and to enable interactive sessions between students, and interactive live sessions between the student and a teacher, and just make sure that the whole live classroom is engaging and also motivating for the students. So these are benefits for adopting LMS, our LMS platform. The first is a centralized learning management where you can streamline, or it's best for course test attendance for each to gather data of each and every student. And there'll be enhanced student engagement using our AI tools and interactive live classroom features. And there'll be improved efficiency for teachers and for students also by using our LMS platform. They can use our AI tools to, efficiently manage through the daily tasks. And our students also can use the AI chatbot to gather information about anything that they need. Even if it's a career related question, our AI chatbot will help you. And there's personalized learning also. So each and every student you can personalize for each and every student and what that particular student needs, what kind of assignment they need, etc. Everything will be added in our LMS. And that's scalability. So be it like 5, 10, 100 or more than thousands of students, our LMS platform is easy to integrate into your already existing platforms. And while I was researching, these are the trends that I found in online classrooms. So you can see that around 70%, more than 70% of urban schools are now using online platforms, and more than 50% are using it for lectures and assignments and exams. And the engagement metrics is also about 20%. So if you use our platform, you can connect with anyone across the globe and ensure that your educational insights are given across the world. And these are the main features that we offer. So as I mentioned, we have AI driven course creation where you just have to enter the correct prompt and you will get the course details and everything within a click. And interactive student engagement tools such as the quizzes, polls features, and all the gamification elements we have. You can access this to engage your students so that they are motivated the whole session. And flexible student enrollment also is there, so where the student can view your courses, view your particular institute's courses, and they can enroll in that particular course if they're interested. And as I mentioned, we have comprehensive assessment and feedback, where you can create AI-powered quizzes, assignments, assessments, and grading the students. You can track the student progress efficiently. And we have AI-powered personalized learning part, where you can get real-time analytics and real-time communication for performance monitoring. So you can use our communication tools, be it chat in the live classroom, polls, breakout rooms, and using our presentation upload. Just like this, you can use the presentation tools. Everything you can use where you can engage with your students. And apart from this, so we have another sub platform called Storylane, where you can engage your elementary school kids. So this platform is ideal for kids aged between 6 to 14, where they can use our platform to find a book of their choice. So we have numerous books in our library. So let me show. This is our library book where you can choose a book from our library. We have more than 20 books which are beautifully illustrated and colorful books, and you can just check which books to assign to your students. So if you think this book is perfect for your students to write, they can you can choose this book and assign this book to the particular child or to a bunch of students where they can write their own story based on the illustration here. So, for example, here you can see that there's an illustration of a young boy scoring a goal. So, this is from my perspective that this particular guy called Rahul has scored a goal and he's jumping with joy. But your student might have another different perspective of what this kid is thinking and what this kid is thinking. And basically what I'm saying is each and every kid has their own thought process, have their own ideology, etc. And using this the books in our website, in our platform, they can select any book of their choice and write their own stories. This helps in enhancing their oratory skills, their writing skills, and their creativity skills. So apart from this, we have distinctive features. So this first is the voice to text feature. So if the child is child is good at orating the particular story, they can just use a voice to text feature where they can just orate the particular story and it will automatically enter the words here in the box. And we have an interactive dashboard for all the students where it's basically like a gamification. If they complete 5 books, they enter first level, second level, third level, etc. So this makes sure that the students are engaged while writing numerous stories, and this helps them to motivate them to write numerous stories and become young authors. And yes, so using our books, they can write as many stories as they want to. And also, before choosing a book, they can flip through the contents inside the book to see if it is ideal for them and if it would be right for them to, write this particular story. So they can use our features, use our books, and write multiple stories as much as they want to. So, what are the next steps? First is you can schedule a demo with us. If you feel that this presentation, this webinar is less informative and you need more information from us, you can schedule a demo with us where I'll show you, walk you across through our platform. And second step is you can set up the platform with your institution or integrate it along with your institution, and we will be giving you support. We'll be helping your teachers, your admins to how best use our tools, and we'll give you a short demo on how to use our tools. And the last and fourth feedback is, sorry, fourth step is to give us feedback. So if you think that this can be much better, or if you have personalized feedback that you want to give to us, you can share it with us anytime. And as we have ended our session, I hope I was clear in explaining what our Atlearn LMS platform is and how best we can help you out. So this is the contact form where you can call us anytime, mail us, or visit our website and social media platforms to see how best to use our platform. Thank you so much for listening to this session, and I really hope you partner with us, integrate with us, and help ease your daily educational activities. Thank you.